So something I've always wondered when doing Instacart is, every Thursday evening, I believe it is, at least where I am, they will send out a notification that says, oh, this day of the week in this upcoming week is going to be a higher paying day. And when I first started Instacart, sometimes I'd pay attention to it, sometimes I wouldn't, but mostly I just did Instacart when I wanted to. And I didn't really do it based off of, which days they said were going to be a larger paying day. But over the last few months, I've started to just pay attention to my earnings a little bit more. And not just for Instacart, but for all of the apps. And so where I am, pretty much every single week, I don't think it's ever said anything other than this day. I think maybe a few times it says Saturday and Sunday, but the top paying day where I am is always a Sunday, and it actually will break down the time period during the day that it says it's going to be even higher paying. So where I am, for me, it keeps saying Sundays are a 5% higher pay. Now, Instacart has a whole bunch of algorithms and everything. I've talked about it in a lot of videos, but it really does depend on the week for me, because I feel like, I've said in other videos that Instacart kind of tries to match how much you earn the previous week with how much you're going to earn that week, unless you really just go out of your way and just do every single order that you see. But if you're only cherry picking and taking like really good orders, you pretty much make about the same amount. And I do find that if, I didn't do the orders, Monday through Saturday, that there are more orders on Sunday. But I find that if Monday through Saturday, I've earned just about the same amount that I did the previous week, then that Sunday usually isn't, some very high paying day. But something very interesting to note is that if you guys do multi-apping, if you guys do, DoorDash, Shipt, Uber, any other app, Instacart might kind of have some insight as to what day or days and times might be a higher paying order day for people in your area. I think at least where I am, people who use Instacart also use these other apps, and so there's kind of a trend around here. I guess it's just when people want to do their shopping or have someone else do their shopping because, they're not actually going to the store and shopping it, but some people may just ignore it like I have in the past. But I just want to put out there that, I do think that it could be beneficial if you do other apps, or even, for Instacart. It may actually be accurate for where you are. And, I don't think it's inaccurate, but I will add that a 5% higher pay is not really that much. But if you look at it in the whole grand scheme of things, 5% is only $5 more per 100 that you earn. So that's not really that much, and it's not really something that I would go out of my way to go and work for. But something else that I do find interesting is that typically on Sundays where I am is when they also will do, these bonus pays, like, $5, $3 extra per batch for a period of time, because there is a lot of orders. So it does provide a little bit more money, and overall I do notice where I am, obviously the weekends always pay more. It would be interesting to see if other apps had this, like Shipt and DoorDash. I mean, especially DoorDash, it would be nice to see them actually break down, what days, times are going to be higher paying. But at the same time, the way that platform works, DoorDash is just, it's chaotic. It can be chaotic. So they're going to have people, they want people to just dash whenever and always make sure they have as many dashers on as possible. So if, DoorDash was like, oh, it's going to be busy between these times where you are, then a lot of people would just kind of, clog up the system, and it actually probably would be harder to make money. But I'm curious what your guys' experience is, because like I said, I didn't pay attention to it for a while, and I only recently started paying attention to it. Does Instacart for you guys show an accurate day that it pays more, or days that it pays more, and times? Do you find that to be accurate? Are you even able to work during those times? And do you find it helpful that they share this information? But yeah, that is it for this video. I just wanted to talk about that for a minute because I feel like it's not talked about, and I just wanted to open up the discussion for it and give my experience. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.